Coon Rapids High School. Engineering design and development. Aggressive hydraulics presented them with a challenge. Engineer a custom cylinder head spanner wrench that improves usability and minimizes operator error. Traditional spanner wrenches can slip off the head, leading to potential damage or injury. The goal? Create a more secure, efficient, and user-friendly solution. The experienced team at Aggressive Hydraulics met with the class and provided tours of their purpose-built facility, showcasing the value of Made in America, giving students an up-close look at why they are the hydraulic cylinder specialists. Engineered solutions. Using 3D CAD software, students developed innovative wrench designs that strive to enhance ergonomics, efficiency, and safety. Each concept was then 3D printed, allowing teams to create tangible prototypes and refine their ideas. Some designs focused on modifying both the wrench and the cylinder head for better ease of use, incorporating wider center holes, scaled gearing, and drill attachments for seamless operation. Others introduced a ratcheting mechanism with multiple 3D printed components, improving grip, efficiency, and scalability, while also reducing labor and installation time. Adjustability was a key theme in several concepts, with some teams designing wrenches featuring longer handles for improved grip and comfort, with potential enhancements such as locking mechanisms for added security. Another approach prioritized better ergonomics and faster setup, incorporating increased friction, reinforced metal rods, and additional stability features. Some designs focused on maximizing efficiency, allowing workers to install cylinder heads more quickly and comfortably, reducing downtime and improving overall productivity. Aggressive Hydraulics is beyond impressed by the talent and innovation displayed by these students. We welcome opportunities to partner with schools inspiring the next generation of engineers through real-world experience. Aggressive Hydraulics, the hydraulic cylinder specialists.